Well, welcome to another fishing adventure with Julian. I'm here at the Citico Creek up above the Citico River. As you can see, up above stream. Of course, I climbed down this big cliff. Here at my age, that's a challenge in and of itself. I'm going to start out with my Leland lures, 6'6" rod. I'm going to be using a Fluger Trion SP25 reel, and I'm going to be using 4-pound SOS trout line with a number 3 sinker, and then I'm going to start out with a number 8 hook here, and then I'll be switching between power bait, power eggs, yellow in color, and then I'll also be trying some night crawlers as well. Oh, I think I got one. First of the day. Looks like a beautiful rainbow trout. That fish number 1 of the day. I think I got another on that same spot. I don't know if you can see him running. There we go. Rainbow number 2. Again, with the old night crawler. Go. Oh, look at there. I knew it. Stay on there, buddy. Let me see. Let me get around here where I can pick him up. Oh. Okay. About fell down myself. There we have him. I know it's hard maybe to see in the shade, but yep, another rainbow. All right. Well, I busted it a good time, man. Hope I didn't bust my knee up. Let me get up here out of the way. What have I got? Must be hung up somehow. Oh, my goodness, look at that. Didn't have him hooked very good. Am I recording? Yes. Let me get him. Yeah. He's a pretty fancy looking fish.